Hello students, in this video today we are going to learn, find out and write nearest meaning of chapter 1 unit number 4 standard 12 Gujarati medium students. These words are from our textbook. The first word is radiant. Its similar word is glowing. What is the meaning of radiant? Tejasvi, bright. We know very well. Nana had lived with Nani for over half a century, and Nana used to see her radiant face every day. Most probably, when we enter in the classroom, we like radiant faces of the students. Petty, insignificant. Mamuli, small. Sometime petty quarrel would push us into long silence. Reprimand, scold. When we do not do our homework, our parents reprimand us. Our parents scold us. Wager, B-E-T, bet, not B-A-T. Sharat, we know very well. Nana always say to Nani, I am older than you, please see who is going to leave this world first. What happened? Actually, Nani passed away at first. At that time, Nana behaved as if he had lost a wager. Some students, some people have nature. When they talk, when they want, they are right. At that time, they try to bet with others. Belongings, things, possessions, vastu, samagri, sadhano. After the death of Nani, Nana imprisoned himself in that bedroom. So, the writer's mother decided to remove all things which belongings to Nani. This word we can also find out in Unforgettable Walt Disney. Walt Disney tried to luck in the Hollywood at that time. He kept all belongings in his cheap suitcase. Unburden, relieve, rahat thavi. After examination, we generally feel unburdened, stunned, shocked. I was shocked to see my children near the theater instead of going to school. I was stunned, thrash, bit, Maravu. The stepmother of the writer beat the children, thrashed the children, taken aback, was greatly surprised. I was taken aback to see the result of my cousin Who get first rank in the classroom? Who got first rank in the classroom? I was surprised. Intervene. Mediate. दरमियानगिरी करवी. These are the similar words in the exam. You write down the word which is asked in the exam and then you write down its answer. Clear? Okay. If you want to watch latest videos, you all are requested to subscribe our channel. Thank you.